Hi children, happy to see you again. I am your teacher Vinoni from Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Okay, today I am going to teach you English subject for LKG kids. Can you guess what topic I am going to teach you today? No? Fine, I will tell you. Today we are going to learn action words. Okay, what the ball is doing? It is rolling. Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of action? No? Fine. Action words. Action verbs are words that express physical or mental action. Challo, action என்னன்னு தெரியாது. ஆனா நம்ம ஸ்டேட்மென்ட் படிச்சிட்டோம். Okay. Action மேம் வந்து பண்ணுவேன். நீங்க அது என்னதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Shall we? Okay. What I did? Yes, I was eating. Okay. Now sleeping. Yeah, these are called as action words. Action னா ஒரு செயல். ஏதோ ஒரு செயல் நம்ம செய்யிறது. ஏதோ ஒரு பொருள் எடுக்கிறதோ இல்ல ஓடுறதோ தூங்குறதோ இதெல்லாம் தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் action words. These are the movement of something is called action words. That may be physical or mental. அதாவது நம்மளுடைய செயல்பாடு உறுப்புகள் மூலமாவோ இல்ல நம்ம think பண்றோம் இல்லீங்களா அதுவும் ஒரு வகையான actions. That is called physical or mental. Next, today we are going to see few action words that is very known to us. Okay, what the kids are doing? They are playing. They are moving from one place to another place. This is called action. What kind of action? They are playing. Shall we learn the spelling for playing? P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Even you people like to play, right? Yes. Shall we write the spelling of playing? Yes. Come, let's write. You spell it out, I'll write. Okay. P L A Y I N G. Playing. What the kids were doing? They were playing. Shall we recall these ones? P L A Y I N G. Playing. Okay, where you people will play? In the playground. Not only playground, in the home also will play, right? Yes. The next word we are going to see is drinking. Tell me. Just look at me. What I am doing? I am drinking water. The same way the girl is pouring water and the pig is drinking. When we pour something, when we drop something from the upwards, that is called pouring. And what the pig is doing? It is drinking. The spelling for drinking is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. What kind of things that we drink or food we take like by drinking? Juice, water, milk. Yes, these kind of liquid items we'll take by drinking. Shall we write the spelling for drinking? Here's the 4 lines for you. Shall we write? Come. D R I N K I N G. Drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Now you are clear with the spelling of drinking. Shall we go to the next one? The next action word we are going to learn is crying. What the girl is doing? Crying. Even you people will cry at home, right? To get something from your mother. Yes. The spelling for crying is C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Shall we spell it out once? C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Shall we write? Spell it out. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Kids, you should not cry in your home to get something and all, okay? Yes, my kids are very brilliant and very obedient. Shall we learn the next action word? What the girl is doing, what the lady is doing? She is dancing. The next word is dancing. Shall we spell it out? Spell with me. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. What she is doing? She is dancing. Shall we write the spelling for dancing? Come. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. What the girl was doing? What the lady was doing? She was dancing. Even we people will dance in our home, right? Okay. The next action word we are going to say is, shall we? You're eager? Yes. What the smile is doing? The smile is clapping. The spelling of clapping is C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. Spell it out with me. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. Shall we write? Look at me. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. Even we will clap to applause others. The next action word is, okay children, what the man is doing, what the birds are doing, they are flying. The spelling of flying is F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. Shall we write? Come, let's write. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. The spelling of flying is F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. Next one we are going to say is, what the boy is doing? He is climbing on the wall. The spelling of climbing is C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. climbing. ஏறுறது தான் என்னது? climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. climbing. Shall we write? Shall we write? C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. climbing. The spelling of climbing is C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. climbing. The next one we are going to see is what the man is doing. When we get hungry, what we'll do? We'll eat, right? It is also an action. Even the man is eating. The spelling of eating is E-A-T-I-N-G. eating. Shall we write? E-A-T-I-N-G. eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. eating. Per day we'll take food at 3 times, right? We should eat properly and we should eat healthy foods. The spelling of eating, shall we write? We'll learn one more time. E-A-T-I-N-G. eating. The next one we are going to see is what the man is doing. He is looking for something. What he is doing? He is looking for something. Okay, even when we look up books, when we want to read, even we look the book to read. The spelling of looking is L-O-O-K-I-N-G. looking. L-O-O-K-I-N-G. looking. Shall we write? L-O-O-K-I-N-G. looking. The spelling of looking is L-O-O-K-I-N-G. looking. The last action word we are going to learn today is jumping. What he is doing? He is jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. jumping. Shall we spell it once? J-U-M-P-I-N-G. jumping. Shall we write? J-U-M-P-I-N-G. jumping. What the boy was doing? He was jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. jumping. Okay kids, today we saw action words and you just practice these letters in your mind and I'll ask you the next class. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.